Well, hello there, YouTubers, and welcome to day 27 of my 100 days of practice. So, okay, this template is my watercolor journaling for beginners and artists class on Skillshare template. And good news, you do not have to be a Skillshare member anymore to take my classes. You can order them a la carte. This class has been uploaded and it is $10. So I'll put a link to that in the description. And in this class, I teach you the template that I developed to encourage daily watercolor practice. And I've been working on watercolors, but you can actually use it for any medium that you're wanting to practice, but don't want to have to think through what am I going to paint? What am I going to do today? This template will really assist you with that, and it's fun. So with this template, you are able to practice your alpha, like your hand lettering. Um, you can practice your portraits. I teach you how to do a real simple self portrait little avatar that is real simple, and anyone can do this template. And it's just a like a prompt, and it works great. I have a lot of fun with it every day. I filled sketchbooks and sketchbooks and sketchbooks with it, and so I'm really excited to be able to um, offer this class a la carte. It was originally developed as a Skillshare class, but I'm happy that you did not have to become a Skillshare member to take this course anymore. You can take it from my own website and it's $10. And this one is uploaded. I actually have 12 classes and more in production, but it just takes a little time to get everything uploaded and over to the new platform. If you are a Skillshare member, you can search for Brenda Knoll and find all of my classes that I've developed for Skillshare there. And if not, you can use the link below for, I think, a free month. I don't know, they keep changing it. But anyway, you get some amount of time for free, so you could take my courses that way. But if you want to check out my website, there is a course catalog. Currently, most of those courses are just available on Skillshare because I haven't had time to transition them all over to the new platform that I'll be using for my digital, I can't think of the word, digital, forgiving you the class. Sorry, sometimes my vocabulary just goes. Anyway, it's fun. I love it. I enjoy it. And I've been working on my skills for video production. And I hope you enjoy this video. As always, if you have found anything of value, please like, subscribe, blah, 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 leave a positive review. All those things cost you nothing but mean a lot on the internet. Hey, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.